In this video, we're going to show you a little bit about pattern recognition, and from a bird's eye view, which is pretty much zoomed out to a reasonable distance, the way that various RTOSs look in the track view to give you a general idea of how they are executing. Now, from this view, you really can't tell what's happening when. You can just see a pattern. And we're going to flip through various RTOSs just to give you an idea of the different types of patterns that you can expect to see. And each of those are related to the way that that particular RTOS behaves. All right, so this is RTOS 1. We're not going to say which one it is. Again, we're indifferent to which RTOS is which. We're just here to work with everyone. And so now let's go to RTOS number 2. And you can see there's a little difference. The patterns are primarily similar, yet not exactly. But you can get the general idea that the behavior over a period of time is quite similar between at least RTOS 1 and RTOS 2. And let's look at RTOS 3. And you can see that it's very, very similar. RTOS 1 seems to be slightly different than the RTOS 2 and 3, but you can see that the pattern of behavior is quite similar across them, even though there might be slight differences. You can look at the patterns and tell that they're actually executing very, very, very closely to each other. And then, of course, RTOS 4. You can see that's the same thing. It looks like this one is pumping out a lot more cues than the others, but you can see that the patterns are pretty much the same. This one is more closely aligned with RTOS 1. So those two are similar, which would mean that they have a similar tasking engine and maybe a similar way that they do interrupt handlers and things of that nature. Now, the devil's in the details. We're not going to get into them here, but this is just to show you the similarities between the behavior of your application or any given application across a series of RTOSs. Thank you for watching, and hope that we can do some more videos soon.